Hello everybody, this is Victor from VStudio and welcome back to another video. Today we will edit this image and turn this into a vintage one. So let's begin. Before we start, I want to thank you for watching this video to the end. If you like this video and want more content like this, please hit the like button and share it to your friends, and also if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to get in touch when a video is uploaded. Thank you very much. We start by going to Tools, then to Tune Image. Here we will adjust the brightness, also the highlights, and then the shadows, we will bring up a little bit the details. Then we hit OK. Now we will dark the image by using curves. We bring down the top point of the curve and also the middle part. And then we hit OK. Now to mask this layer, we go to View Edits, select our curve adjustments and then Brush Filter. To enable the curve, we press Invert and then adjust the opacity of the brush from here, and then we paint over the part we want to be brighter. We zoom out a little bit. Also zoom in to be more precise. These adjustments act like a dodge and burn in Photoshop. So here we have before and after. Now we will fix the sky brightness using selective filter. This filter will select the color of the sky, and by pinching in and out you can select the area where you want the effect to be active. Now we duplicate this filter and change the brightness just a little bit. Now this is the before and after. Now we go to curves. In order to change a little bit the colors, we select the blue channel and drag down. I do the same with the green, just a little bit, and also the red. If you want more in-depth video about the curves and what you can do with curves in Snapseed, please leave me a comment in the section below. Now we will mask the curves because we want the effect goes only in the half down part of the image. Now we go to vintage filter and select filter number 10. We can play here with the vignette and also the strength of the filter to give it a look more vintage. Then we go to view edits, brush and mask the filter only in areas that we need. After that, we go one more time to the curves, and with the luminance we brighten up a little bit the image. Then go again on the mask to mask it, because we want to pop only some parts of the image. Now, to give it the final look, we go to grainy film and select this filter. Decrease a little bit the strength and the grain just a little bit to give that vintage aspect. We go also to details to add more sharpening. We don't want to over sharpen the image. And then in the edits we mask the sharpening layer, because we don't want on the sky too much sharpening. So this is the image. We have here all the layers. I will activate each layer to see the changes. What do you think about this photo? Do you like it? Please leave a comment in the section below, and also if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye.